Many moons ago in the Archimedes forest lived an Indian girl named SohCahToa. As with all Indians of the Zinzi-Zinzik clan, SohCahToa derived her name from a memorable event in her early childhood. One day her father noticed her sitting on a natural log, dangling her feet in the air and solving problems involving right triangles. He cleverly declared her name shall be SohCahToa. However, his daughter heard him say SohCahToa, and the name stuck.
Hello, Father.
Your name shall be SohCahToa.
SohCahToa studied for many years and became very proficient in mathematics. She probably would have become a famous mathematician if she hadn't discovered boys, especially falling rock. SohCahToa liked falling rock and convinced him to study mathematics with her.
Hey, falling rock, you want to come study with me? Math is really fun.
After a while, he got bored and said,
I like angles to a degree, but I feel positive about poles. I'll even do some addition. However, I feel like the inverse multiplication causes division, and I'm totally confused when we say pies are squared. Nevertheless, graphing is where I draw the line.
SohCahToa tried to teach falling rock about the legs of right triangles, but he was more interested in studying her legs. Right before falling rock turned 18, he asked SohCahToa to marry him.
I'm done with math for right now.
What do you mean?
Marry me?
Of course!
She agreed to be his bride and put her studying aside, but before they could wed, falling rock had to pass the trials of manhood.
Don't forget you have to pass the trials of manhood.
Every boy in the tribe had to complete this ritual to be deemed ready for the responsibilities of marriage. Tasks were uniquely created for each individual. Falling Rock's task required him to travel to the Triangle Mountain and put ink on the tail of the parrot that sits at its peak. When Falling Rock and his tribe arrived at the base of the mountain, the elders supplied him with a few cooking utensils and a jar of ink for the parrot's tail.
Here's some utensils that you can use. And here's a cookie for you.
He bid them farewell.
See y'all.
Bye. Good luck.
And spent many days in the sun, becoming quite the tangent on his way to the peak. That was the last time anyone ever saw him. After a few weeks, SohCahToa decided to go up the mountain to find him. A few thousand feet up, she found her lover's cooking utensils sitting over a fire. The hypotenuse was a sign that she was on the right side of the Triangle Mountain. She climbed all the way to the top, but she didn't find the parrot. However, she did find a message written on a stone. Her mathematical sense found it ironic that on the stone at the peak of the Triangle Mountain were the words, "Polygon." SohCahToa descended the mountain. And never gave up hope that she might find her lost lover. Even to this day, it is said she is still looking for him. In fact, you can still see the signs SohCahToa left on the sides of the roads in the mountains. Watch for falling rock.